Welcome to the Boar Lifestyle.
Oink oink.
And we're going to be cooking together. Today we'll be making pizza because students love pizza and it's a great thing to enjoy together.
I'm trapped.
Today we will be showing you how to cook a meal with all of your flatmates.
All of them.
All of them. Today,
Every single one.
Today I've just got one of my flatmates.
I'm only one flatmate.
He's only one flatmate. Although, stand up, he could be two.
And I disappeared.
Whoa! And it's a really fun, nice thing that you can do in your flat. You can talk to each other while you're cooking. You can talk to each other while you're eating. You can punch them in the face if you're doing it wrong.
Which will all be happening in this video.
Hope you enjoy and maybe learn something. Maybe you think, I'll do that with my flatmates.
That's right, you might learn something. Forget about your uni
fun.
degree.
It'll be fun as well.
It'll be
Fun and learning.
fun and learning.
Fun and learning.
Fun learning.
For learning.
Lung.
The first step, anytime you're going to cook by yourself, and especially with other people, is washing your hands. We've already done this, so if you're watching this, pause the video, go away, wash your hands, come back. You dirty bastard.
Yes.
Now, first, in making a pizza, is your dough. Now, there's a few different things you can do here. If you want to make a dough from scratch, that is great. You should do that. It's a real fun thing to do with your flatmates. It's a bit more of a cooking experience. But if you think making dough is outside the abilities of you or some of the people you're living with, there's plenty of other options that you can make a pizza on. You can make a pizza on pita bread. You can make a pizza bread on a tortilla. You can make pizza on a flatbread or a naan bread.
There are many types of bread.
There are many types of bread.
You can put tomato on any of them and call it a pizza.
Yes.
What we're trying to show you is how to make a pizza.
A tasty pizza.
A tasty pizza.
A tasty pizza.
A tasty pizza.
A tasty
A tasty pizza.
Step 1 is get some of your either flour or your bread mix. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or gas mark 6. We're going to show you two different ways of making pizza dough. The first is kind of the proper way, and the second way is a way that's just a little bit easier. So for the first method, put 300 grams of self-raising flour into a bowl.
Then add a little pinch of salt and a bit of pepper.
Yep. And then you should add 150 milliliters of warm water. Mix that together a little bit, then add 6 tablespoons of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Make sure it combines fully until it's a soft, smooth dough. And then just put it onto your floured surface.
Make sure it's floured, otherwise the bees will come.
Pizza dough, which is the slightly easier one, all you have to do is buy some bread mix. Bread mix is formulated so that it already has all the yeast and some other ingredients, and it means that all you need to do to make a dough is put 300 grams of this into a bowl and then add 150 milliliters of warm water. Pizza dough, you can divide it into however many people in your group want a pizza.
Some people like their own individual round pizza, and some people like slices.
Yeah, some people like squares.
They don't look the same, but neither do people. Hands, hands, hands.
Hands, some hands, handsome.
Sorry, do one of you have a vegetable peeler I can borrow?
Cooking with your flatmates.
Oh my gosh. A flatmate? What's that doing in my flat?
What is a flatmate?
That is the question that we set out to answer today.
Through our rigorous experiments.
One of the experiments being, what is a flatmate when cooking? A flatmate is someone to talk to and keep you company while you do all the damn work.
I do some of the damn work.
And I also do some of the damn work, because this is cooking with your flatmates, not at them.
Cooking at Your Flatmates premieres tomorrow. Put all kinds of different toppings on.
All kinds.
All kinds.
Every kind you can think of.
If you've got a vegan person in your flat, they can have like vegan cheese on their pizza or on their part of the pizza. If you've got someone's vegetarian, if you've got someone who likes really weird things that none of the rest of you want to eat, it's suitable.
There's a lot of those around.
There are a lot
Yeah.
of those around. So all you need to do is spoon some spoonfuls of passata.
Make sure they're spoonfuls.
Make sure the spoons are full onto the dough and spread it out until it looks fairly even. Then add your cheese. We've gone with mozzarella and then some cheddar cheese. You can use all kinds of cheese.
The best kinds of cheese.
The
The
best.
cheese that you like.
Yeah.
You.
Add some garlic granules and some mixed Italian herbs onto the pizza just so it tastes nice and pizza. Add anything else you want, any vegetables, any meat, any peppers, and then all of that, just how a pizza looks. Just anything you like.
Make it
on
how
a
a pizza looks.
Yeah, just if you...
Imagine a
particular-
pizza in your head and then
Make
make it.
Yeah. Just the kind of pizza you would order at a restaurant that you'd want to eat.
Yeah, go to a restaurant, order a pizza and make it look like that.
And then bang it in the oven.
Bang it. Bang it. Bang it.
And this is the pizza. It looks delicious, and I'm sure it will taste delicious too.
It will taste delicious.
It will taste delicious.
That's a promise.
And we made it together, and that was fun too.
Yes, as flatmates.
As flatmate.
This is flatmate food.
Yeah, flat food for flatmates.
Flat.
Mates. Okay, and thanks for enjoying our video. Subscribe to the Boar. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Ah!